Hello, this is Nat from Artnovion. In this video we're going to be demonstrating how to install our double-sized panels, so 1190mm by 595. So I have one behind me here. So there are always two main ways to install these double panels, which is obviously vertically or horizontally. So these panels, this is Zorb's panel in this case, and the Zorb's custom print, is equipped with screw-thread receivers to install in both of these methods. So if I were to install this in the horizontal method, it's very simple. It's just an extension of how you install the standard panel. So this would be the larger tube, and you simply put the clips on the top and bottom of the panel. In the vertical installation, it's slightly different though. The wall setup will look like something we have here, which is 3 horizontal tubes. Basically because on the centre of the panel, on the centre frame, you do not require 2 tubes. So a lot of rooms, a lot of home cinemas, smaller installs, it's perfectly fine to have one row of panels around the room like this. It means you can save a lot of time on installation fees, installation time. So looking on to how to install this. So as usual, we'll put our fixed clips on the bottom of the panel. These just simply screw in by hand. And then I'll put all of the other clips in the adjustable position. So, clip, M6 screw, just push that through, and screw this into the screw thread receivers. So, 4 of these. Center line. This installation method would also be valid if you're using, say, smaller square Zorb's panels and joining them together with our FixArt Connect brackets. So again, all in all, it saves time in installation. You don't have to put as many holes in the wall too, which is always good. So those are the adjusters in place. Now I'm going to slide the clips in. Top. So these don't have to be perfect at the moment, we can adjust them in situ with this. So I always like to start off with the bottom, so that's the fixed row. That's what we can't change, so what I have to do is clip this in. The panel clips always go inside that's on the wall. See, that's a bit far to the right, so I just need to adjust that a bit. Punch that over. Then in the centre, move my clips up a bit low. So 1. Now the other side, move that up. 2. And then the top is perfect. I just need to push that in. So once the panel is installed, as always, there's adjustment left and right along the tube, and we can always move around to the next rows above this one to get a perfect join, a perfect install. So for more information on how to install these and other panels using our FixArt Tube system, just check out our website for more information and installation guides.